guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, for today's episode, I'm going to share to you up-and-coming Louis Vuitton bags. Prices, SKU, launch date, and features will be featured here. So ready your phone to take a screenshot and kindly check with your CAs for availabilities and pre-orders. So I'm inviting you to please watch until the end of our episode. Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about latest about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account that's @Rabier52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Hi guys, I'm very happy to share upcoming Louis Vuitton bags, and we will focus on bags launching November 2023. Prices, SKUs, features, and launch dates will all be included. Kindly take a screenshot and check with your CAs for orders and availability. Thank you to info.lvlvxbal for sharing these. Happy shopping, guys! Okay, so let us start first with the new bag Pochette Louise. Price is €2,000. Launch date is November 3rd, 2023. We have SKU here. The main material is the very beautiful black epi leather. This is a wallet on chain style, as we are going to see. It has one main compartment. The strap is fully detachable, and I love the enamel gold LV with the epi leather engraving. It also comes in this very beautiful metallic silver. Guys, this is so me. It comes with silver chain hardware, one main compartment, same LV magnetic lock closure, and the strap is fully detachable with a slip pocket in the back of the bag. What do you think of this new bag, guys? Next, we have the Loop Hobo. Price is €3,050. Launch date November 3rd, 2023. It has the main material of this one, of course, is the very beautiful empreinte leather. So for the main bag, it is the giant monogram, and the pochette is the regular monogram. It comes in gold hardware with detachable chain strap and adjustable leather crossbody strap. It comes in the noir or black color as well. How beautiful and stunning the gold chain hardware is with the gold hardware as well. The strap is fully adjustable, so one main compartment, microfiber lining, and I love that it comes with this mini pochette just like the Neverfull. Then we have this very beautiful OMG mini Capucines treasure collection. Price is €8,350. Launch date November 3rd, 2023. Guys, please take note that 1,700 Swarovski pearls are embroidered into the body of this very beautiful Capucines bag. So gorgeous. Next, we have the Pochette Voyage, part of the Rainbow Capsule Collection for men's. Launch date is November 9, 2023. Price is $1,020. Main material is the monogram canvas with red leather trims. It has one main compartment with card slots on the inside. What do you think of this capsule collection? So we have another one. We have a coin card holder. Price is $415. Same launch date. We are going to see the combination of classic monogram canvas with red leather trim. It has silver hardware, so it comes with a one compartment with card slots. I like this combination. It works for me. Then we have a pocket organizer. Price is €450. We have SKU here, still part of the Rainbow Capsule Collection. For this one, so main monogram canvas, and the leather is in color June. I'm not really sure how to pronounce that, but it's like the yellowish color. It has one main compartment with card slots. And then guys, please take note that the Atlantis, BB, and GM are now available for pre-orders. So for the GM, price is $3,450, and for the BB is $3,100. For the BB, it's only available in the reverse monogram, and for the GM, it's available for both the regular canvas and reverse monogram. Please check with your CAs. And now we have launching October 2023. First, we have the Shearling collection. We have the Sweetie 25. Price is 4,100 euro. Made of cream shearling material. And we have a contrasting black LV monogram and flowers. It comes with 2 top handles, detachable leather strap with leather trims. It would also come with backpack. Price is 4,350 euro. Size is 12.2 inches by 12.2 inches by 6.7 inches. This is a backpack style, and guys, it doesn't come with the leather trim, but we're going to see it comes with the monogram canvas trim with 2 pockets in front and 1 main compartment. And then we have the Over the Moon bag, so gorgeous. Price is 4,200 USD. Launch date of this Shearling collection is October 13th. Size is 10.8 inches by 6.3 inches by 2.8 inches. So this is a shoulder bag style with chain strap detail. Next, we have new Louis Vuitton twist bag launching October 13th. This one price is 4,950 USD. Main material is noir epi leather. Guys, kindly take note or see the quilted LV twist lock with gold chain strap detail. How gorgeous this one is. And it would also come in this very beautiful blue colorway. Price is same, 4,950 USD. Material is in this royal blue epi leather with quilted Louis Vuitton twist logo with gold chain strap, and it has 1 main compartment and slip pocket at the back. Then guys, part of the new permanent collection, we have On The Go East West. First, we have is in this cream colorway. Price is 3,150 USD. Launch date is October 13th. It is in the material of ampant leather with giant Louis Vuitton monogram, 1 main compartment, 2 top handle, 1 detachable crossbody strap, and it has a zippered compartment. I love this noir or black colorway. We are going to notice the giant monogram on one side. I love that it comes with zipper, so now our things would be safe inside the bag. So 2 top handle with detachable crossbody strap. There, did you enjoy our episode for today? So what did you think of the up-and-coming bags from Louis Vuitton? If you have stayed at this part of this episode, kindly leave me a shopping cart emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you! So guys, what are your thoughts regarding the new collection? Are you adding anything to your wish list? Definitely, I would love to hear from you. So kindly comment down below. Before we end our episode, I'm inviting you guys to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account, that's @RamiraFi2, for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!